Welcome back to this session. Here you are going to learn H1 to H6 tags, which is called heading tags built in, and by default the group of people who are invented HTML, they have initiated different type of heading tags which we need to use to apply for in our HTML web page and web form designing. So see what are they. Yeah. H1 is a heading tag 1, H2 is heading tag 2 till H6. Heading tag 3, the sizes are very different from H1 to H6. You may observe here, whichever the size we require, like the heading type and the content height and bold, width, all the parameters are different from 1 to 1. So we very clearly applying of in practical oriented in our HTML code, we'll see how it will be represented. Let's begin the session here. Go to Sublime Text Editor. Again here you need to open if you are closed, and here I am applying, already have shown you like a hello welcome to my website is an applied for H1 tag only. So by applying of H2 onwards, like see, like a hello welcome to my website, I have applied H1 tag. So here I'm writing from H2. See, just simply code editor will help you how much it is a very pretty cool and simple. So H2 have typed, by pressing the tab you will get automatically the closing tag. In between the cursor is automatically, it's a blanking. So here we can write something heading tag 2 I am writing. See, that size is different from H1 to H2. Let's see, by save this and go to the browser, open in browser and run and check it. See, hello welcome to my website, font is different, the size of H, you may observe here HH. So you will get very clearly the information once we've written more tags. Let's see the third one also, we'll see here. Take a less than H3, press tab. So heading tag 3. So similarly I'm writing one more tag here, like H4, heading tag 4. So save it and go to the browser and refresh it. Wow, this is a H1, this 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, first one also I'll make it one more tag for heading tag 1. So take a copy of code, or else you need not to require. I will type it very quickly, no problem. H1 like heading tag 1. Yep. Now save it and refresh the page of browser where we have seen the output. Yep. See, now I'm making little bit low for convenient. So heading tag 1 is there, the font size and size of the thickness and size of a heading, and the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and fifth, sixth also I'll add here, like H5 heading tag 5, similarly sixth, sorry, yeah, heading tag 6. Wow, where is the H6? It's gone somewhere else. Yeah, save it and open the browser and refresh and reload the page. Now see, H1 tag is the size, H2, H3, H4, 5, 6. Yeah, this one. So accordingly, why we require predefined H1 tags and all is given here, like we are using some text, you may observe in your newspapers and all and articles, they'll give you the main heading is very big, subheading is low, and inside the subheadings are very low. So accordingly the hierarchy in our web page design or website designs, we have to follow the things. These are the very basic principles. So apply wherever the heading title is required. You have to apply which hashtag you are going to applying and preparing the matter. It's up to your website clean and neat design. I hope you will very better understand. We'll see in the next lecture how to prepare paragraphs. There you will better understand. Thank you. Catch you in the next lecture.